Hey everybody, Travis O'Leary, Steffes Auctioneers, coming to you from Sidney, Montana today, and I am looking for all of our friends in that oil and gas sector. We have got a beautiful rig moving realignment package for Wood Group USA, happening August 13th in Sidney, Montana at their location. You are not going to want to miss this auction. It is a great site. Ladies and gentlemen, we have got shedded bed trucks. Where do you find that in the world? People that take care of their equipment, I love it. Can't wait to have this auction on August 13th. It is an online event. It is in Sidney, Montana. Please go to our website, steffesgroup.com. Take a look at all the assets. Make sure you find what you're looking for, because if we don't have it, you don't need it. So hey, we appreciate the support. Bid high and bid often. Thanks, and make it a great day.